man, they play madness football. Boom kick, back, you know. One time now one day the ball and reach a Jamaica. Yeah.
Bro, you know we get some flack for that because we actually think say the football we playing in that competition it wasn't bad. And the people
as compared to what we see in the past.
Yeah. So you have some individual brilliances.
Now we see where much we see where much try overlap Bolt and Molina. You get me? I said we see where much try channel the ball to Jamani Bell and play off of Jamani Bell. So we see same him actually I tried that. We see say he make a concerted effort for get Bolt and for get Molina in the game. And that's something we've been a ball for still. Like
Bro, we can't pass ball. We can't pass the ball, bro. Simple as that. We don't teach passing.
Well, we don't have the talent feet. And the Merron guy come teach.
Passing the easiest thing we teach.
No, yeah, as in, no, everybody can pass.
If you don't teach it.
And see, I'm sure say them youth there, all of them can ping a pass better than me, you, and Rush. All of them. Sure of that, right? So but there's levels to this, and there's extents to this. No. Mason Mount is a good midfielder. Mason Mount cannot pass the ball like Pedro and Gavi. You get me, I say? And that are England and Spain. That's why England and Spain have played two different ways. So yeah, passing is a basic skill in football, and I'm sure all 20 of them man they will go Guatemala the other day. Little boy them better than me. Sure right. Certain right. You get me, I say? But them now can pass on the level as the Mexican team, and the Mexican team now can pass on the level of the Spanish team. And the Spanish team probably now can run on the level like Molina and both Barrett. You get me? I say? So we have different skills, and one thing we can't beat Merron Gorden for is youth them knowing how to pass. Because Merron Gorden teach them youth them. You get me? As a Merron Gorden just responsible for put them together and get the best out of them. And me believe the overlapping with the wing back them and playing a compact tree at the back was the best thing to get out of them youth there. And to be honest, in a few of the games, them like at the beginning of the games, where both Barrett was on the field, Molina was on the field, we created opportunities. You realize that in the last 20 minutes, all of the games them we can see, except the quarterfinal game.
Watch me now. Me make I go look back on certain things and think about what I say. I'll give you some history now. Carry that history. Right? Alright. So me usually coach Charlie Mount High School. I win Brent Francis Cup as a coach at Charlie Mount High School. Right? The same year I carry the under 14 team go quarterfinal. Right? Good. So one day I was at National Stadium watching Gavin Massey and Casey. Casey score one, they play same way. One more score, two of them under. So I say Merron got to make a change and put on defenders. So I myself say, you lose in a Champions Cup where it's a knockout game, right? And you put on defender. You not play back. You get opportunity to score. You put on defender. So I ask myself, well, this don't nullify a chance of getting goals now. As in again defensive. So all this makes sense. As a young coach, we just win a trophy. As I say, come on learn from the gaffer them, because here's the Merron Garden a gaffer. Cool? Anyway. So I said to my brethren, say, that I head coach, say, what can man I say, yo, madness. So I say, alright, I want to hear from him, from Merron Garden himself. If I'm madness. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, we end up under 14, him carrying team come. And we are playing. Yeah, we are playing. we play them in a match. He beat with 2-1 in the quarterfinal. Cool? When the match done, I said to him, say, you see I make a change in the Champions Cup thing, wait. Why you make that change? Yo, you know, say I have to protect my name. I have to protect my integrity. See, from that day, bro.
Nah.
Football-wise, if I do football-wise, I lose all ratings. Football-wise.
Nah. You don't lose respect.
Football-wise. So if I do that, and then now I see him change from like, you know, you give people, I not still like some people when I just mark it down for that for the rest of your life. If you change, I tell you, you change the world. No, I not see him change from that, no time at all. Winning the Costa Cup with the same style. You know, we give the props to win, but at the end of the day, it don't benefit the nation. under 16 winning at the same time don't benefit the nation. It don't benefit him neither because the same style him go with and go play international football where it's one of the easiest thing to mark in our game. Long ball. Good teams, you can't score, you can't get no chance. Long ball. Right or wrong, Joe?
You're right.
You get where I come from? Now, if you play long ball to people who mark, because you must can see it, and then now, you never blame him still, no, I blame. Not that mix up, because I want to get the point across. You need to blame him alone, you blame all speed. Speed are the technical director. What Rubik Speed used to select this coach?
Well, first of all, I'm correct it. Speed are the director of the technical committee. When them Dozell is the technical director. First and foremost, we'll make that distinction there very, very clear before we
Alright, so let me get to you. But are Speed responsible for select coach?
Speed responsible for recommending a coach to the JFF.
Him recommending.
Yes, he recommended